Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Then this is search key. So click and then enter the model number which is the required B650MH and then hit enter. Then click to product. B650HM. So this one. So this is your motherboard. Click on support. So is then select operating system is required. If you are using Windows 10, so Windows 10 also installations process same. Audio. So this is audio driver and this is size. Just click to download. When you click to download link, automatically start showing here. I already installed. You can see this is 165 size. Just after download, single click to open. Then you can see this is extract driver exe. Just double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to the system. After that install. Now you can see this is installing. It will automatically close means this is installed like that and close it.